Puppies. Hi. Foxy. Lucky. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hello. This room's dirty.
Mommy, you're video camming? Yeah. How? How?
They upgraded my BlackBerry today.
Look at, why is that doing like that?
What are you doing here, turdhead?
Let's see.
Lucky. Lucky.
Yeah, wait, fine.
Lucky. Stop chewing on Foxy.
Yeah, but you have to sit right here. Do you have to sit?
Hey. What do you guys have? Lexi, I told you to hang up your jacket. What do you guys have? What the heck? Give it to me. Drop it. Drop it. Ew. That wouldn't be good in the stomach. No. You guys are super cute. Hey, Foxy. Nope, you guys can't have it. Nope. Don't know what it is. Disgusting. It's part of a ball or something. Look. Yep. Go get it.
It keeps getting up to his back.
Mhm.